Hi, my name is John Lim, and this past spring I taught a class on decluttering your home, and it was so much fun. And one of the strategies that I covered was selling things that you no longer need online. And one of the questions that I got asked a lot was, well, how do you do that? And I talked about a couple of platforms like Pango Books, Poshmark, and eBay. Well, I'm excited to announce for those of you who asked this question, and for those of you who are interested, I will be offering this fall a class on e-commerce for beginners. And we're going to be looking at three platforms: Pango Books, Poshmark, and eBay. Specifically, if you have excess books, clothing, or knickknacks around the house that you want to declutter, that's going to be your inventory. So what do you need for this class? Well, first of all, come with things that you have in your home that you no longer need. Excess books, clothing, knickknacks, things that you're looking to get rid of. This is going to be your inventory. That's the coolest part of this class, is that you don't need to buy anything to get started. You should also be comfortable using a phone, tablet, or a computer. You don't have to be a whiz, but you should be comfortable on those devices. This is a technical class, but it's aimed at beginners, and we're going to be covering the A to Z on how to get started, how to create a listing, how to make it look really nice, and how to fulfill orders. It's a lot of fun. This is a 5-session class, 2 hours per session, and I'm going to be offering it this fall. I'm so excited. And for those of you who took my decluttering class, you asked for this, so I'm giving it to you. And for those of you who are interested in learning how to start a side hustle or just to clear out some excess stuff, this class is for you. So I hope to see you in the fall.